Today I'm making
tempura green beans. Was it cheesy? We should start heating our oil in our lynnee pan behind us. Do we have like a thermometer or should we just like wing it?
I mean, I do have a meat thermometer.
Just wing it. Oh, we'll just wing it.
But
I usually just wing it. That's totally fine. Okay, let's take the oil. We'll put it on the pan.
Okay.
Amazing.
How much do you
I would say, I mean, you can really do a shallow
amount?
fry. I would keep going just to make it a little easier.
Okay.
I think honestly, do the whole thing.
Okay.
There we go.
Say less.
Throw her in there. Okay, perfect. We'll get
Okay.
it heated.
Heat it up.
And then while that's going, then
Oh my God,
we can
you're
work on our
bringing
sauce.
that light. Oh
I
my
cleaned her for the
gosh,
video.
look at that. How many recipes are in your cookbook?
77. But
Oh
I
my
wrote them so
gosh.
long ago. That's the thing. I started this book in 2022.
Oh my
So it's been
God.
so long. It's
Wow.
crazy. I didn't realize how long books take.
Yeah, the whole process. That's so fun though.
It's been really fun.
77.
Check it out if you're interested, you guys.
Coming soon.
Yeah, link below. Okay, let's make our sauce.
Okay, do we need a little bowl? Or
Yes,
something?
please. Let's do like a knife, and then a little bowl's perfect with
Let me pick a bowl.
tempura green beans. Have you had
Yes.
tempura green beans?
I don't think so.
What? Really?
I don't think so.
Oh my God.
Okay, yellow or
Let's go purple. That's a perfect size. So I love tempura green beans. I love them from the habit.
Oh
Because
my
they have it
God.
as an option instead of
I've
fries.
never had.
Oh, you guys, it's so
Okay.
good. Like when I go to a Japanese restaurant and I get like vegetable tempura, it's always the first thing that I grab. That or
Yum.
broccoli. So,
I
mean,
love green beans.
oh, I can't believe
Like
you're
normally.
gonna love it. So I thought this would be a good recipe also because it's the holidays. I mean, I think this is fun to do as like a little appetizer for people. And then it's also because it's so quick, you can be frying it as people are coming in so it's fresh.
Fresh and hot.
You can sit,
oh my God,
but,
perfect
you know.
appetizer.
Okay, we're just gonna chop these up. 2 small garlic cloves.
Perfection.
And then,
I love garlic.
yes, I'll
Who
chop
doesn't
this
love
up.
garlic?
Oh, also, like, I put 2 in the recipe in the book, but like normally I would do 5.
Always. If a recipe.
And then we'll put this into the bowl. In the
Okay.
meantime,
Yeah,
I
what else
guess,
goes
do you
in
want to
here?
measure?
Mayo?
You can measure, yeah.
Okay.
3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. You did get the
Okay.
good stuff. We've got kewpie. Oh, what I was gonna say also is you can serve this with like tempura sauce if you want to go on that vibe. I made the garlic aioli recipe just because I think it's so delicious and I love the
Yeah, are
garlic
you
vibe.
kidding me?
But yeah, you could do ketchup, you could do plain, whatever you want.
Love
Put it on
sauces.
anything. Me too.
a
I know
big sauce
everything in the
girl.
book has a sauce.
It does?
I just love a sauce. I feel like, especially for like something that you're hosting, I feel like
Yeah.
you need something.
Oh my God, you're probably such a good host.
Thank you. I do love hosting, I will
love
say.
hosting. This is the first Christmas ever that I'm cooking for my whole family.
What are you gonna make?
I have been making a menu this whole week.
Oh my God, wait, it's so fun.
And I'm doing like, my mom actually requested an Italian theme.
Ooh, cute.
I don't know why, we're not even Italian, but I was like, you know what? Who doesn't love Italian food?
You know
so
what
whatever.
though? It's kind of easier too with like pasta, you can batch it.
Exactly. So I'm gonna do like a lasagna and
Ooh, yum.
a spicy rigatoni.
Yum.
And like a winter salad with like pear and apple and walnuts. Oh,
Wait, that sounds amazing.
and
A chicken cutlet maybe?
Oh my God, yes.
I feel like I always have to have a chicken cutlet with my vodka sauce
Me
pasta.
too.
Wait, that sounds so good. I
know,
So you're
what
doing
would you like?
everything from start to finish?
Yes.
Normally do your parents like cook most of the food?
The past few years we've been going to a restaurant,
Oh, that's so nice.
but we're switching it up this year.
That's so fun. Are you gonna host here?
We're gonna do it at my parents' house, and my dad loves to cook too, so he's gonna help.
I love your parents, by the way.
They're
I hope you know,
so sweet.
like when I did my wildflower case back in like 2018, that,
yeah, wait,
that
OG
phone,
wildflower collab over here.
when I did that phone call, I was in my downtown apartment and I remember just like freaking out the whole time and like we all were screaming and your dad was just like, oh my God, like this is so fun. And that stuck with me forever.
Stop. He literally texted me today and was like, make sure to tell Remi whether we say hello.
I
He was
love
like, she's
them.
such an OG for us.
Oh, I love you guys so much. You guys are
like, I
amazing.
know.
So fun.
That collab was actually, how many years ago was that?
I think it was
probably, like-
2018. I had just recently after met my husband because I
No
remember
way.
I showed him and he was like, that's the crazy, you have a phone
Oh.
case? Yeah, it's like one of my core memories.
You're like, yeah.
Yeah, I have a phone
do.
case, casual.
That's really cute.
Let's do like a little sprinkle of salt and pepper as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Use that.
A little
Cute
sprinkle.
little-
So, everything here is so cute. Did you design this place yourself or did you have someone help?
I pretty much did for the most part. My friend from high school actually is a really awesome interior designer.
Oh my God.
So whenever he would come over, we would just be like, what should we do next?
It's
He like
insane.
helped me do the kitchen properly.
I think I need to hire you
know?
when I move because
And
this
everything.
is insane. It's crazy. 2 teaspoons of lemon.
Can we get something to mix?
Yes, perfect. Let's do that. 2 teaspoons of lemon.
Something.
This might actually be almost exactly as much as we need.
Really?
Just a little bit, little shot. Okay, perfect. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of mirin. And then we'll mix that together.
Yay.
Gorgeous. So I love kewpie mayo because it is a little bit
This is
richer.
everything?
Yes. Go ahead and give it a mix with our lynnee spatula. And I like kewpie mayo because it's a little bit richer in flavor, so it's made specifically with just egg yolks. So that's why
really?
it's like a little bit like creamier, a
Right.
lot creamier. But any mayo works, obviously. You can do whatever you'd like.
This is just.
That's it. It's gorgeous.
Oh my gosh.
Easy peasy.
Look at this.
That's it. And you can all see, you can like spice it up if you want.
Yum.
Add like some sriracha. I love
Ooh,
a
that's
spicy mayo.
fun.
So
Me
you could do
too.
that or leave it as
that
is.
look.
But the lemon goes nicely with the green beans, you'll see.
Love.
And we're like halfway done. It's so easy to do.
Wow.
And also, you can choose any vegetable you'd like. Like you can do.
Oh, really? To
for
tempura
sure.
anything?
I love vegetable tempura.
Oh my God,
Anything
yum.
works. But green beans are fun and because they're kind of like French fries. Okay,
Yes.
gorgeous. So now we'll move on to the green beans.
Green beans.
And we've got the rich green beans that are already cleaned and prepped.
Pre-cut.
Thank you so much.
you,
And we're gonna
everyone.
make our tempura batter. So maybe we'll just get a big bowl out
Okay.
and we can start working on that.
Like this. Let's see. I got all these vintage bowls on Etsy because I thought they were cute colors.
That's
I'm
such a
like,
good
oh, colored
idea.
bowls.
Oh my God, so cute.
I'm starting to work on like plates and stuff for Lynnee.
Oh, you are, shut up.
Yes. And I just like I love colored stuff. I feel
It's
like there's not enough like
beautiful.
fun colors of things.
That's such a good idea. I will say also, I use my pan every day.
Really?
Every day. No, like any vlog you watch me cooking, like when we were
You're like-
moving too, I only packed like the necessities.
Stop.
My pan came, yeah.
I remember when we first sent it to you, like every time you would post something, someone would send it and be like, she's using it. She's
No,
using
I
it.
love
She's
it.
using the
It's
pan. I
my
was
favorite
like,
pan. It's the only pan that I use genuinely.
Stop. That makes
or
me
like
so happy.
if I need an extra pan, then I use the one in the rental. But I'm like,
Yeah. You're like, oh,
come on. No, I love it. It's such a good pan. Everyone buy. Okay, we've
well, you
got
can
our.
have 2 if you want.
Oh, thank you. Actually, I do have 2 already.
You do?
I'll be honest. I
Make
won't
it
steal. I
3.
won't steal. Yeah, I'll take a 3rd. Okay, we've got our club soda. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna do 1 cup of flour.
Okay.
Half a teaspoon of baking soda in our bowl.
What like inspired all your recipes for your cookbook?
So, you know what's so funny? When I started writing the chapters, I was like, okay, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, dessert, like
Yeah.
fun. And then I sent it in to my publisher. I was like, I think this is right? And he was like, no.
What do
He
you
was
mean?
like, what you need to do,
Oh no! Woo!
what you need to do is, like, this needs to feel so personal to you. And I
Right.
was like, wait, that's genius, obviously.
You're like,
duh.
wait, you're right.
I was like, yeah, exactly. Like, wait, that makes sense. And so what I did is I kind of broke it up into, I guess, what you would see in my daily life / also just if you were to watch a vlog.
Right.
So the chapters are based
Cute.
on, like, I love hosting. So there's a
Yes.
hosting chapter.
Oh my God,
I
I
love
love
Korean
that.
food. And
Yeah.
so obviously I make a lot of Korean food. So there's
Right.
a Korean chapter.
Oh my
there's like
God.
a brunch chapter. There's like, yeah, like a drunchies moment
Right.
in there
Oh,
too.
I
'cause
love
I
that.
love all
Of
that.
course.
So it's very me,
Oh
exactly.
my God, that's so special.
So that's kind of what inspired it all. We can mix this together.
Perfect.
Beautiful. And we actually need some ice cubes. So we want to get the ice cubes going.
Some ice and then grab a little bowl.
be perfect.
I've never made tempura before.
Oh my God. It's so easy and you're gonna do it all the
so
time because
easy,
you're gonna
like,
want to
what am
tempura
I gonna
yourself.
tempura next?
It's insane. We're gonna do some salt into our dry ingredients as well. And a
Okay.
cute little spoon. Sprinkle that in.
I've been obsessed with going to like random antique stores, and that's where I'm finding all like just cute little trinket things.
Do that. I just go to Home Goods. I'm bad. I'm so bad.
Sure. Antique Mall?
Wait,
It almost closed, but it didn't.
an antique mall in Sherman Oaks?
Yes.
Okay, I need to go.
Sherman Oaks Antique Mall. My
Once
mom is
I
like dying
move,
to go.
I'm ready. That's the thing.
Yeah,
I'm like, I
then
need to
you-
hit the ground running.
Right.
And I will be consulting you for design advice because it's insane, you guys. Have you done a house tour? Are you gonna do a house tour?
I haven't.
Are you going to?
I don't know.
I think you should.
Really?
It's insane,
Oh my
you guys.
God,
It's
really?
beautiful, right? We're getting nods behind the camera, everybody.
The camera's like.
Yeah, yes. Do we have a liquid measuring cup or should we just use the lemons?
Oh. I did just knock that over. So.
Okay, we're gonna do a cup and a half of club soda. And that's gonna go into our dry mixture, and we're gonna mix that until it's clump free. So the club soda is really nice because like the fizziness adds really like a lightness to the batter, so it's not too heavy.
That's why the bubbles.
Exactly.
Good.
I'm gonna mix this in. So I'm gonna get this clump free while we're pouring that in. Perfect, perfect.
Gorgeous.
And then if you wanna measure out 3/4 of a cup of flour,
Okay.
please.
Flour.
I'm gonna test our oil too. I'm just gonna
see
how this is going back here.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna crank that up a bit. In the book I did write that you should use the thermometer, but I don't either.
I mean, come on.
That was just like the technical thing to do.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna mix this.
I even eyeball like this 3/4 of a cup. Like that's probably 3/4. You know what I mean?
Same. That's the
Cooking
thing.
is
It's like
fun,
cooking.
it's
It's
random.
not
You
supposed
can
to
be
be too
silly.
serious.
This is-
Can't wait to eat tempura. What's your favorite thing to cook?
Well, recently I have been cooking a lot of dinner for myself, and I'm trying to get better at just doing that for myself.
Yeah.
Even if it's just for myself. You
It's
know?
hard though sometimes with like portions and things too,
It
and then the
is.
amount of leftovers. I get it.
Leftovers, like it's honestly hard to eat leftovers. You know, you probably want
You get
something
bored
else
of
the
it.
next day, or
Exactly.
like you forget or something.
I get
But
it.
I'm trying to be better about it, and it's fun. And I like find the beauty in it. I'll like put music on.
You
know, I'm like
romanticize
in a
it.
robe,
Yes,
like
wait,
romanticize it.
cute.
It's like fun.
I love that.
I also love breakfast. I love breakfast
Me
food.
too.
Like
Same.
waffle, pancakes, a big like gorgeous yogurt bowl with like papaya. Like,
Oh yeah.
so fun.
I'll do that too, but then I'm like, by the time I make it, it's like noon.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh, it's lunchtime.
It's like not even breakfast, but
I do that all the time. Okay, we've got ice, so we're actually gonna add our ice cubes to our batter. And again,
Okay.
keeping it nice and cold will keep the batter nice and like light and not get too dense.
Right.
And then also we're gonna add the flour in. We can just
All of
mix
it?
this. Yeah, throw that in. And then we
Okay.
can actually, you don't have to
Together?
mix too much. You don't have to worry about the clumps because
Yeah.
these clumps are actually going to add like, you know when you're eating like a fried food and there's like little crispy bits?
Yes.
That's what I like.
Me too.
So I don't want it to be too heavy.
So the
So the
clump is
ice,
good.
exactly. The clump is good. It's not too serious
Okay,
of like
yeah.
a batter.
yes.
We've got our batter going. You know
Clump
what? It's
shot.
a little bit thick, so I'm gonna add a little more club soda. Thank you. And again, just like, you know, play
little
around with
more?
it.
We're
Let's
good?
do a little splash more. Perfect, yeah. Gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Okay,
batter.
amazing. I will say once it starts cooking, it only takes like a minute or two.
Oh, really?
Like it's so fast. So because we did a lot of oil, it'll
They'll
be
be good.
so quick.
Maybe
It'll
we could
flip
set
on
up so
its
we're gonna put
own.
them after.
Yes, okay, so what you wanna do is get a
That'd be
plate and some
smart.
paper towels.
Okay.
And then line that, and it's gonna go so quick, but that's what I was saying. If you host, this is a great little
Right.
appetizer to have. People are walking in the door, you're doing something.
Yes.
Boom, fresh fried green bean
Guess
for
what?
them.
Now you got
Done.
fresh fried green beans.
Gorgeous.
What's like? Do you have a favorite recipe from your book, or you kind of like you love them all?
I will say there is a fried chicken sandwich that I blew my mind when I tested the recipe when I did it. I was like, I didn't know I could cook this well.
You're
I was
like,
I was
wait,
no, I think
that
I should write it.
feeling
I
when
think I
you
should
make
write a
something
cookbook.
like that?
Yes. I was so proud of myself. And it's got this like honey gochujang glaze and then a Korean pear slaw. So it's like sweet. I used to be
okay.
very like just salt.
Yeah.
But Alicia's palate is insane.
Really?
She has the craziest palate I've ever seen in my life. She loves like mixing all the different flavors.
Yeah.
She also grew up
my
with a
God, I
mom who's
love
like not the
that.
biggest cook.
Yeah.
So she out of, you know, just like need,
Right.
kind of just like stands in her
Wanted to-
fridge and just mixes random things, and that's her form of cooking. So she's really inspired me a lot. And I was like,
Wow.
oh, I've learned like all the different flavor combinations because I used to
Right.
be very like one note.
Yeah.
So I'll give her credit for
Oh
that
my
one. The
God,
sweet and
shout out
salty goes to
Alicia.
her. Okay, we're at a beautiful time. Okay,
Really?
so what we're
Okay.
gonna do you have
Wonderful.
chopsticks or like tongs or something I could
Yes.
borrow?
I
Beautiful.
actually just got really cute chopsticks.
Amazing. You can use your hands, but you're just gonna basically take your green beans and thank you.
still
Those
have
are
the purple one?
gorgeous.
they
I love the
cute?
brown.
Oh, they're
so cute. I'm gonna use chopsticks just because it's easy and that's what I know. But feel free to use a fork, use tongs. You're just gonna dip your
wow.
green bean in there, and then
Okay.
we can actually work it
Yeah,
over
should we put it over
here
here?
just to make it so quick and easy. We've got our
look at
green
this.
bean I'll just throw it in there, boom. It'll start frying, and I'll just
gosh.
keep going one by one.
Wow.
I've got my green bean holder.
I would be so happy
in
walking
there.
into someone's home and this is what they were doing.
Right?
I'd be like,
we're just gonna do a
oh,
handful.
Yeah,
Make it way easier on me.
You're like, one at a
I was showing off
time.
my chopstick skills. I can use chopsticks. They're just cooking, as you can see. You can give them a little flippy flip, but they will basically float to the surface, and boom,
Wow.
that's it.
And you know when they're done, when they're like, what, golden?
They're gonna be like a golden brown.
Wow.
And yeah, green beans don't take long to cook at all, so it goes so fast.
This is so fun. What else do you like to tempura and fry?
I love broccoli. Shrimp is so good too.
I love that.
You know what I just realized? I was so nervous I forgot one of my steps, but it's still working out well.
What was
I was just so nervous. She made me so nervous. You can toss your green beans in a little flour before you put them in the fryer, just to get the batter to stick. But honestly,
Yeah.
it's sticking
I mean,
totally
it's
fine.
great.
And then I'm a big flaky salt person. I don't know about you.
too,
Okay, gorgeous.
obviously.
I love to hit it with flaky salt when it comes out.
Okay.
But obviously you don't have to if you don't want to. And I love it too because the green beans like keep a little bit of their crunch still,
Yeah.
but they're like just soft on the
yummy.
outside. It's gonna be a good ASMR moment also.
Yeah, this is a good like bubble sound. Good job.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'll take these out. Perfectly golden
Wow.
brown.
They're like all puffy and gorgeous.
They're so good. Yeah, so you can put like, I also love eggplant, like fried eggplant.
yum.
Sweet potato is really good.
I've been obsessed with sweet potato lately.
Everything. You should try a sweet potato latte.
What? What is a sweet potato latte?
It's like a big thing in Korea.
No way.
And it's really, really yummy. Yeah, Koreans are big on sweet potatoes. Those look gorgeous.
Oh.
Fun little side too if you're doing like a burger night
Yeah.
or just a snack, maybe a movie snack, whatever
A
you
snack.
want, whatever.
Have you always been into cooking, or is this like a newer?
I've always been into food, if
Yeah.
I'm being so
No, me
honest. Like
too.
I love food so much. I always
Same.
have. And then I started cooking really when I moved out on my own when I went to college.
Yeah.
And then I just really took a liking to
Yeah.
it after that. How about you?
Fun. Honestly, same. I've always been like obsessed with food.
Yeah. Yeah.
And like
No, I
trying
get it.
things and eating things, and like I just love that. And a few years ago, I was like, what if I could make something that tastes like this thing that I love so much eating?
You could save money, but also like it's so cathartic. It's so like
Yes.
it's just therapeutic.
And the satisfaction of being like, oh my god, I made this. Like
Yes.
it's so rewarding and eating it.
Yes.
I just love the whole experience of it.
Your whole friend group is into food though, right?
Yeah.
I love
which is so
seeing-
fun.
which is
because
so fun,
all we do
yeah.
is like go to new restaurants, try food. Me and Kelsey the most. Like she's like my food bestie.
I'm
Just
jealous.
bestie, but also food bestie.
I will say like Ollie and I do love food. We're definitely the foodies of the group, but
Really?
like
Yeah.
we don't venture out as much, I will say.
Really?
We're like
You have your
very
spots.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah. Me and Kelsey do though have days where it's just like Postmating.
Ollie, we gotta
So
do
many
that.
different things in one. Wow.
They look really,
This is
really
restaurant
beautiful.
quality.
That's the thing.
Serious?
And we made it in your kitchen.
This is so professional. Yeah.
We'll just move this.
Wow,
so no
this
one
is
gets
awesome.
hurt.
Yeah, definitely let the oil cool before you take it off, before you
Yes.
dump it, please.
Don't
Let
dump
your
it down the
oil
drain.
cool. Don't
Learned
it
that
down
one the hard way.
drain. No, you didn't. Oh my god, that's gorgeous.
There we go.
Can we put the sauce in here?
Yeah, gorgeous.
I
I'm so excited.
just love making things look like beautifully plated.
I mean, you
when
eat
I
with your
cook.
eyes,
You eat with
yeah.
your eyes, and it's like if you're gonna put all this love and time into something,
You
why not
must.
make it look gorgeous.
You must, you must. Okay.
Wow.
I mean, it took like
is
what?
beautiful.
Like 20 minutes.
Like
It's so
20
quick.
minutes.
You can again dip shrimp in there, sweet potato,
God, that
carrots,
sauce.
literally anything. It's so delicious and it's so easy.
This is beautiful.
And that's it. It's that simple.
I know what I'm doing. So gorgeous. Final product.
Yay!
Oh my god.
That was honestly
They
really
all fall
impressive. The
over.
reflexes were very, very good.
That was scary.
And I think you deserve to try one now for that. I hope you like them.
I'm so excited.
I'm glad you like the Din Tai Fung ones because,
Yes.
I mean, they're not the same, but
Okay,
it's
ready?
garlicky. Here
And
we
look
go.
at how, I mean, just look at this close up. Gorgeousness. Oh my gosh, ready?
A little cheers moment. Cheers.
Oh my god.
The aioli
No
really takes it
way.
to the next level.
The crunch.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Wait a second.
I mean, it's a fried vegetable. You
I
can't
could eat
go wrong.
100 of
I know. It's like you cannot go wrong.
Yum.
Like
oh my God,
honestly,
this is so good.
I know it's crazy, but like I do prefer a fried green bean to like a French fry. Depending on the place, I know it's crazy, but.
No, this with anything on the side. These are really good.
Oh my God, well.
Thank you so much for coming on.
Thank you for having me. We're gonna go eat all of these now.
Yes, we are.